Tonight we have Papi Odek and Tamasha Beats. I'm going to do a short intro of Papi Odek and his band. Papi Odek is a singer-songwriter, and he's also the founder and lead singer of Tamasha Beats. Tamasha Beats originally started as an a cappella group, but it later evolved into a fully instrumental band. So Papi got into music straight off high school in 2001 and has been doing music since. Papi also grew up listening to rumba and benga music, and these have really informed the style that he plays right now, which he calls benga fusion. Benga fusion is basically a fusion of Kenyan folk music with contemporary music and dashes of rumba and benga, as I mentioned before. So Papi and Tamasha Beats sing in several Kenyan languages, including Luo, Kikuyu, Kamba, Kalenjin, and Luya, and they also sing in other African languages like Lingala. He has performed internationally on a Euro tour in 2006, where he performed with Kigezi Ndoto, a Kenyan musical, and later in 2012 also did a Euro tour where he performed with the musical Out of Africa. He also doubles as an actor. So I'm just going to do a little intro of the band. On keys is Jack, and he is also the music director. On drums is Paul Yannick. On guitar is Mabiza Mabele Bokwala. He is also the co-music director. On bass is Justa Sobuya. And on background vocal is Judy. Please join me in welcoming Papi Odek and Tamasha Beats.
Toa Give a big round of applause to all the mothers. Pigia mama makofi. Sasa wewe upige makofi na ulizaliwa na mama. Piga makofi. Give a round of applause to your mother. That song, Mama, is in our second album, yet to be released. The next song is a song that is in our first album, which is on sale. If you want a copy of our album, please, 500 bob only. Somewhere there, you'll be sorted out. This song is called Linda Kenya, a song that was inspired by the actions and activities that went on in 2007, 2008, as a post-election violence. The song is Linda Kenya, so it means protect Kenya, jealousy. Right? Enjoy.
Mama
That song is in our album, is available in our album. That is on sale right here tonight for 500 bob. It is very important that you promote Kenyan music. Kama hutaki niende ushago, please, iko wapi? It's there, it's right there. I don't know. I would have loved to bring it to you. Please pass it to me. Pesa. Hawa ndio watu Kenya. Kenya needs you people. Thank you. Pesa nayo. Mshahara imekuja. All right. Are you ready for some reggae? How many people love reggae here? You know, I grew up in Islam, so you know we love reggae in Islam. Unapenda reggae? Kama unapenda reggae, sema boom your class. Whatever that is. Yeah.
Be
beach, I woke up in the yeah, I said it all, I told I came and never would, I know my people, don't die, I be Rasta. You don't have to try to be Rasta. Yeah. Now, we're gonna take it a little bit chini ya maji, pole pole. We're gonna do a song here that is called Teka Sikio. Teka Sikio is a song that is a cover song of an original song called Vela. Vela was a song that was done by a Zambian musician. It was called Lility. There is a cover of the same song that's written. Basically, it says Teka Sikio. It's a piece of advice to the young people, to our children, to take care of themselves. To take care of themselves in this hypocritical world. Enjoy. Teka Sikio, sikiza, nasaha zangu hizi nakupa, wana magoha wanafiki, mambo yao siyamini, maisha yako jua niteule, mambo yao siyamini, maisha yako jua niteule, moyo yako na uwagenge, usiuze linde moyo, usiuze mwana vela sweetie, mwana vela honey, mwana vela sweetie, come for you baby, oh so cool now, loco, kituteke. Kiuki loki, chuni male, chuni male, chuni male. Kiloki, chuni male, chuni male. Ladies and gentlemen, Mabiza. Thank you. Thank you. Well, uno momento. Are you having a good time? Are you having a good time? You know, forgive me, but you know, where I come from, if you're having a good time, you must be dancing when music is being played. So, how many of you know the music that goes by the title of Twist? I'm not going to do a twist. Twist, you know Twist? Now, we're going to play some Twist here. And we want everybody to dance, alright? So get some pace. Hey, get some space. If you're sitting, stand up. Get some space. We're going to dance right now. Alright? Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! Yes! Hakuna vile utacheza ngoma na umekaa chini. Simameni. I'll start calling you by your names. Where is Kibet? There's a friend of mine sitting somewhere out there called Kibet. Let's Kibet. Wapi yeye? Wapi yeye? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go!
Jericho,
gonna take a short break. We'll be right back with the break. Yeah. Cheze, cheze ngoma, ngoma ya wazee. Cheze, cheze ngoma, ngoma ya furahisha moyo. Cheze, cheze ngoma, ngoma ya vijana. Cheze, cheze ngoma, ngoma inayochangamsha.
Are you enjoying the music? Are you having a good time? I hope in the next round, guys will fill up this dance floor here. We want you to dance. So this is his album, his first album. It's called Unveiled. If you want to grab it, you can come to the corner there. It's only 500 shillings. Right now, they're taking a break for the next 30 minutes, and the DJ will take over.
Are we present or are we not present? Make some noise if you're here tonight, huh? Okay. I'm glad there's some live bodies out there. Asanteni Sana, thanks for coming. Always we do this since 2011 November. We started this night, Thursday Night Live. We want to welcome you for being here. We're the home of acoustic jazz, roots and fusion music in Nairobi. If you want to find out more about our upcoming events, look us up on Facebook, Thursday Night Live, and you want to spell it night, N-I-T-E. And I just want to let everybody know, if you have a camera, we do not permit flash photography. There are various reasons for that. One is that we don't want anybody having an epileptic fit, falling on the ground and biting their tongue. We also find them to be very distracting to the musicians. So I want to ask you, young lady, right in front of me, there is a light that comes out of your camera. Could you do me a favor and not have your light shining? Just do me that favor. There is a light coming out of your camera and it's right in the eye. And if you're a musician up here, it affects. So please, do me that favor. Tonight we're graced by an artist by the name of Papi Odek and his band Tamasha Beats. Papi Odek has been added as a songwriter and singer and actor, as well as a percussionist, and has toured parts of the world in various theater ensembles. He's been performing as an artist since 2001, and he's very much influenced by Benga, Rumba, Kenyan folk music, as you will witness on stage tonight. They released their first album entitled Unveiled in 2011, and which is actually for sale tonight, somewhere on this corner, for 500 shillings. And they're currently working on their sophomore album with a working title, Expressions. Tonight he'll be joined on keyboard with Jack, who's also a music director. On drums we have Paul Yannick. On guitar we have Mabiza Mabele Bogwala, who's also one of the co-musicians, co-leaders of the, what is it, music director of the band, right? On bass we have Justice Obuya, and on background vocals we have Judy. Tafadhalini wacha tuwape makofi Papi Odek na Tamasha Beats. Make some noise, guys.
Give